Good morning. We are the students of class 8. We are going to play a skit on Clean India, Green India. Now we are going to introduce you to the characters of the play.
I am Riddhi and I am going to play the role of Rahul, a person who cleans the road. I am Pragya and I am going to play the role of a postman.
Hello, I am Saswat. I am playing the role of a young boy.
I am Rupashi. I am going to play the role of a young girl.
I am Akshar. I am playing the role of a young boy. And I am Tanay. I am going to sum up the skit. Scene 1. Who cares?
Brother, why are you cleaning the road? These people are so stubborn. They will never change their attitude. They will always litter. Yes, they will change. I will change their attitude. Only I have to work a bit more harder.
Scene 2.
Never mind. See, these people are only not bothering about the environment and our surroundings. They only feel their own comfort. No worries, I will throw this garbage in the dustbin and hope someday they will change. Only I have to work harder until they change. Let's hope for the best.
Rahul, who cleans the road, gives a smile on his face and again cleans the road. The postman is doing his work. Scene 3.